Hello everyone, welcome back to Kirklees Guitar School. So I threw up a quick little post on the Kirklees Guitar School Facebook group and asked if there was any quick kind of licks or riffs that the community would like to learn, and somebody asked for one of these. So I can't promise I'm going to do every one, but I think for the sake of I want to try this idea of quick licks, and it's just a little 2 or 3 minute video where I show you something cool that you can practice over the weekend, and it's not Hotel California, it's not a massive undertaking, it's just sort of between 4 and 8 bars. So let's have a look at it. So this is what we're up against today. That's the full tab. The tab is available on the school's Facebook group. Link in the description. You can download it and then you can go through it with a pencil. I'm going to break this down, don't stress. So what we're going to start with, we're going to start with the 10th fret on the B string. You're going to bend that. You're going to pick the note, bend it with the 3rd and 2nd finger together like this. You see how the line goes up and then back down. So I'm going to bend it up, and while keeping the string pressed in, I'm going to bring it back down as well. Yeah? I'm then going to, with my index finger, play the 8th fret, and then come back to the 10. All on the B string. On the second time round, I'm going to play the 10 with the bend to the 8th just as normal. Then with the middle finger, I'm going to play the 9th fret on the string above it. And then for the third part of the lick, which is all the way over here, I'm just going to play the 10, 8, 10. Let me play all of that for you. And anytime you've got a spare moment, be putting vibrato on with that ring finger. Remember to use 2 fingers for pushing that up. And really controlled. You don't just want to bend it up. You want to bend. You want to hear the up and the down. Ba ba. There should be 2 notes there. Okay, on to the second part. So the first, I've chunked this up into little phrases. First 3 notes, there's nothing new there. 10, 8, 10. Then we're going to go 10, 8, 9 again. You remember where we go up to the G string with the middle finger. Then we're going to do the 10 and the 8. Now from this point you'd be inclined to use your ring finger, which would be okay, but personally I'd play the 10 and the 8 in that 3rd bar, as we have been doing, and then I would do a position shift up to the 10th fret, and so now I'm playing the 10th fret with my index finger, and I go 10, 12, 13, 12, 10. So I'm using index, middle, ring, index, but you could, I think that's the way Clapton does it as well. Let me play the full thing for you. Wait, wrong string. Pause the video if you need to, or download the tabs from the Facebook group. 3.5 minutes. That's a quick in and out, isn't it? So for tones, I'm just using the Les Paul today because it's the nearest one to me. I'm using the neck pickup, and I'm using the tiniest little bit of overdrive just to thicken everything up. We're not looking for super duper distorted. We're just looking for just to sort of thicken it up a little bit. If you're playing a Strat style guitar, probably the neck pickup would be a good choice. Maybe roll a little bit of the tone off. Have you got any ideas for quick riffs that you'd like me to have a quick look at? I can't promise I'll do them all, but I'm sort of picking through them as best I can. Let me know in the comments. I will see you next week for another quick riff. Thank you.